Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Now, today's video, I'm creating this beautiful set in honour and memory of a beautiful lady called Helen Evans, who sadly passed away recently. Helen has been one of my subscribers from the day I started my YouTube channel. She was just the most supportive, sweetest person ever. It didn't matter how poorly this lady was, she never missed a video, and she left the most kindest comments. And it's not only me she would support, she supported everyone. She would watch everybody's videos. Well, you'll see today how many people have come together to do a set in memory of Helen. It's just amazing, absolutely amazing. And I will leave the playlist in my description box so you can head over and check everyone else's sets out as well. I just want to offer my condolences to all of Helen's family. I can't even begin to imagine how you're feeling because you've lost such an amazing person. Because I know how much I'm going to miss seeing Helen's comments in my videos. Right guys, I'm not really going to explain much in this video what I'm doing because it's not a tutorial. So I'm going to pop some music on and I shall let you get on and watch the video.
I can't do nothing better than spending my day with you. My life's sunny and better, girl, when I'm with you. She illuminates so bright like a star in the skylines. She got the looks, the good, oh boy, I need her so bad in my life. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, girl, nah, 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 nah. Just me and your sounds alright, girl. I want nobody but you. 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 Feel better if I save the songs for you. When you feel down and better, shawty, I'll be there for you. We'll be like Bonnie and Clyde, how we everybody else, you and me against the world, girl. You'll be my B, I'll be your J, yeah. We'll be so dangerous in love, girl. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, girl, nah, 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 nah. Just me and your sounds alright, girl. I want nobody but you. 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 but you. I want nobody but you.
Well, that's them all done, guys. So I really hope you like them. Again, I just want to offer my condolences to all Helen's family and friends. And I just want you to know that she's going to be very, very sadly missed by so many people. Because she was such a beautiful, lovely, supportive lady. That's everything for this video. I just want to say take care, much love, and thank you ever so much for watching.